Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify offline UX with service workers in Workbox step by step clearly. To verify offline user experience with service workers using Workbox, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Run npm init to initialize a new package.json file. Install Workbox by running npm install workbox CLI savedev. Next, create a basic HTML file to serve as your web application. Include a script tag in your HTML file to link to the Workbox library. In the same directory, create a new JavaScript file. In your JavaScript file, register the service worker using the Workbox library. Add the necessary caching strategies for your assets. Create a service worker file in the appropriate location as specified in your code. In the service worker file, import Workbox using import scripts. Use Workbox functions to cache your site's assets and set up routes for fetching them. Now, run the Workbox build process to generate the final service worker file. Start a local server to test your application. Open your application in a browser and check the console for any errors. To test offline functionality, disable your network connection. Refresh the page to see how the application behaves offline. Interact with your application to verify that cached content is served properly. Once you are done testing, re-enable the network connection. Document any issues you encountered during testing for further review. Finally, optimize your caching strategies based on your test results for better performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.